Do do dow 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 do 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 do. Hey guys, and welcome with a new video where today we're playing hill climb racing and a new series that I'm going to be starting. Woo! Woo! That was crazy. Oh, come on. You didn't even do anything. Okay. Okay, let's move on with the next thing, which I think we're gonna be doing. Upgrade 4-wheel drive. Woo! Gotta get our gems and get all of our other stuff. So no. Woohoo! Sorry guys if I sound a little tired. I just got out of bed and What? Neck flip. Get it, you D.
Until you came.
Oh! Woo! Woo! It's gonna up the deck. Okay. What? What the? I wasn't even pressing it. I mean, awesome backflip again, but this game kind of sometimes sucks because it doesn't listen to you.
When you talk to them, they thought they were in for a nice.
Connor, pause that. My goodness. Dun. Oh. Oh. You. Deep. Upgrade on that suspension. I'm not even pressing anything, it's just going on its own. Oh, oh. Oh, woo! She'll be coming across the bridge when she comes. She'll be coming across the bridge when she comes. She'll be coming across the bridge. She'll be coming across the bridge. She'll be coming across the bridge when she comes. Oh. Oh, we went far that time. That was extremely far. Did you guys see that? That was far. I don't think we can upgrade anything else. Maybe we could get a little tire in there, but I don't think anything else really. Engine. Okay. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, I could go back and cancel. Think. Oh. I might need to off screen to never. Okay, now I just need to. I'm trying to unlock a character guy now. Maybe a level. Actually, I think I'll unlock a level. No. This is a fun game. Oh, burning rubber. Burning rubber. Sorry if you guys can't hear any music. I put on my headphones for this video, so I'm not sure if you guys can. You guys probably can't hear it at all. Oh, that's where I died last time. Come on. Oh, I died like 1 meter before where I died. Okay. Let's drive. Woohoo. Oh. Oh, I think we'll do one more and then in the video there. Oh, let's just do it always like that. Woo! Oh, look at that dirt I'm kicking back. Oh, just hold this. Gotta go up the hill. And, woo! My hair just got numb from that. Pause that!
Unbelievable! It spooked them.
Oh my goodness, you're an idiot. Not you guys, sorry. Dun, dun, dun.
Oh man, the YouTuber just called the fans an idiot.
Dun, 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 dun. Here you go, guys. Now you can hear it. You guys have the headphones. I don't anymore. Connor! I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, remember, take that like button, take that subscribe, mash them together, and we will try to make sure my brother's not an idiot. Now we'll see you guys in the next video, and we'll probably be, and something new will probably be unlocked. See you next time. Open plays.
Bye. Like, subscribe.
Out.